very nice little etude with détaché bow stroke. Well, if you actually look in the book, you'll see that the author is giving us the variations to try. This is very similar to Wolfart, Opus 45, Etude number 1, or Hans Zit, Etude number 1, or Kaiser. All of these number 1 etudes, they start with kind of a nice little etude as a détaché bow stroke, or Kreutzer etude number 2 also. And then you have variants, right? Variations on it, where you can try different bowings. And that, to me, is where the real value of this etude is. So I would highly recommend doing those variants. I think it's very, very important. So number 1 goes like this. Just slurring 2 notes, 2 slurred. Number 2 is 4 slurred. Number 3 is the whole bow, 8 notes slurred. So on and so forth. So then he's getting into kind of a, variations. So you have 2 slurred, then some separate, like so. Or you can do, here you can actually make your own. Make your own. Why not? Get creative. Or upside down. Or last one, number 12 is really fun. Yeah, so in my opinion, learning etude itself, learning all the notes, is great, but it's really not enough. If you want to get the full value out of this exercise, do the variants. I'm going to repeat myself again. Do the variants. Absolutely do the variants. Take your time, experiment with them, maybe make your own, and have fun. It's supposed to be an interesting exploration of musical adventures of this little etude. I hope you guys take advantage of this. Once again, I wanted to thank you for your support on my YouTube membership as well as Patreon. Really appreciate all of you guys. Thank you very much for your support. Continuing this book would not be possible without your support, and I'm very thankful. Thank you.